Hey, I'm Luke Steinhauer, and I'm head of customer experience at Estill Voice International. I'm lucky to have been a part of the design team that created our brand new mobile app, Estill Exercises. Estill Exercises has content in over 6 languages, brief overviews of each figure and quality, fun ways to practice, and a community forum. Let me walk you through some of my favorite features. We put all of the figures and voice qualities from the Estill voice model into this app in 6 languages. Trying to isolate your true vocal folds but can't remember the options? Click the true vocal fold onset offset icon and review. Can't remember the hand signal for cricoid tilt? Click the cricoid icon, click tilt, and see the hand signal. Need ways to practice speech quality? Click the speech icon and click exercise. In our latest update, we've created one-on-one interactive practice videos led by Estill Voice certified trainers from across the globe. Exercise, mark the tasks you've completed, set reminders, and take notes. Looking for practice in a flash? Use the mobile flashcards. Practice randomly or select the figure, demonstrate the options, and swipe for the next one. Want to turn your figures into artistry action? We've created fun melodies to practice each figure option. A digital or physical copy of Estill Etudes is necessary to sing along. A great way to connect with fellow learners and ask questions is to visit the social feed. You never know who may answer. Posts are reviewed, moderated, and monitored by Estill Voice International, and no question is off limits. This app is your mobile learning companion to bridge, connect, and continue your learning from Estill Voice training courses, workshops, and private lessons. Try the Estill Exercises app for 3 days free and see how it can help you.